What's up, guys? Jason Godwin here with christmaslights.io.help, whatever you want to go for. And today I did a ride along. We went and did some houses. You'll see here some video of the houses we did. What did we end up doing? Two houses, one fix it of Christmas lights. And so yes, it is Christmas light season, and Christmas lights is a lot of fun. So today I have the guy that I always talk about in the middle of nowhere, Indiana. I'll show you some video of the middle of nowhere, Indiana. It's flat. You have to pass tractors to get here. You have to go down long corn road fields, stuff like that, literally. And so we are in the middle of nowhere. Would you say this is nowhere, Indiana?
Yes, it is.
And so we have a population of, what do we say, of the people of about a 30-50 mile radius. We have about
60,000 tops.
60,000 people within this area. So not a very big, and this is a very strong out area because you work in Richmond.
Yeah, there's towns, just kind of sporadic towns all over, and the biggest one is a little northeast of here. That's Richmond, and that's got 30,000 population. That's about a 30-minute drive. So
it is something. So it is something that can be done. He does very well for himself, over 6 figures a year, and so it can be done even if we're in there. So with that said, how was the ride along today? First off, what did you say when I first pulled in?
Well, I said he looks a lot bigger than what he looks like on video.
I think
I knew he was big, but I was like calling him the mini giant, but he definitely looked like a giant getting out of his car.
Said I didn't need a ladder. I mean, all these hateful things to me, you know, all these hateful things, you know.
He could definitely probably hang the first level of gutter line with no ladder, just by reaching it up. I still go on some of these roofs sometimes and think like,
what am I doing?
What the hell did I get myself into, man?
You got the goat?
I got the goat. I got the Rich Pro.
You got cougar paws?
I got cougar. I got these little $20 hiking boots from Walmart. And I'll tell you what, these things grip, man.
They do just as good as
they do. And I don't have to worry about.
I tried to find a pair of those.
If you get off the roof of those cougar paws and it's wet or damp, I mean, it's too much to take on and off. And I'd rather not do all that.
They do make a cover. They do make a cover. Christmas light installation.
Continue on Potter Shop Road for 10
That's
miles.
mine. I got something to say. We hang Christmas lights. See, I had signs up on this corner.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Like, you try to post them in these higher end neighborhoods, they don't want to see that shit, man.
They're like, bye bye.
Right. Get that out of here. So this is where the
nice houses are.
nice house.
We like nice houses.
But unfortunately, the one we're doing is not
The nice
one of
houses.
these.
Hey, it's better when it's one of those.
Right.
It's all flat and you don't have to.
Oh, I think this is the one we're doing right here.
Oh, that's a gravy
Your
one.
destination is on the left.
That's an easy
The other
one.
one's just kinda
You're doing
round.
both the top and the lower section.
Right.
Oh, that's a no-brainer right there. These are the houses I
I
like.
know, I like this.
Easy walkable
Make sure about
roofs.
walking on needles, man. I think you can handle that. Yeah. I'll give you the first level. I'll take the second. That way we can break in a little bit.
Yeah, this won't take long at all. We got any bushes and trees?
No, just ground stakes out front. And
so that is what I had to deal with when I first got here. But it was a great day. We had 2 jobs done. You had a brand new guy today.
Yep.
And so it is something that we did. So with that, what is one thing that you love about Christmas lights?
The money. The money, the money's definitely good. Good money in it.
So money is definitely a motivator to help us do Christmas lights. It can be very profitable. You've got to listen to what Jason says a lot of times of charge more, right?
Definitely.
We got some competitors in this area that, you know, has a mindset, and we got to charge more. And at the end of the day, if we charge more, we do less work and make what? More money, right?
More money.
So tell me a little bit about Christmas lights?
Well, first I'll start off, but we got into Christmas lights originally because we're pressure washers during the warmer months, obviously, and our season only usually goes to about October, so we were kind of looking for something to fill the void over the winter time, make a little extra money. And I seen Jason's videos originally on some of the pressure washing groups, and kind of seeing them like Christmas lights, like, really, people do this? So I spent hours on end watching videos on YouTube of Jason and learned a lot off of his YouTube videos, enough to actually not take any formal training, and went out and bought some material and started hanging lights and made some pretty good money doing it.
So that's awesome. I had a good time riding around today. If you're a new guy, do you have any advice for a new guy, what they might want to do?
Definitely stick to your guns and charge enough money. You see a lot of guys saying, "Oh, I can only get $3 a foot in my area," blah blah. Well, maybe you can, but that's, like Jason says, the mindset, and a lot of it just kind of boils down to, I know Jason's seen three of the houses that we did. We installed 2 new homes today. One of them was around the corner that we had recently installed, and they all know each other. So one of them was a doctor. That doctor referred us to a couple other doctors. So if you stick with doing these little small houses that are $300-400, those are going to bring you a lot more of those $300-400 customers. You start getting your foot in the door with the $1,500 jobs. We got some residential jobs that are spend $35,000-4,000, and those are the ones you want that tell their friends about you. They see their lights, and like Jason always says, you got the big pumpkin and little pumpkin. Those guys got friends, and they typically surround themselves with like-minded people. So doctors are hanging around other doctors. You don't see broke people hanging out with filthy rich people. It just doesn't work that way. So when you go after the clientele of the richer people with more money, you're going to get that more attention from those customers as well.
Couldn't have said it better. It's like I've said it that 10 or 12 times already. So with that said, I had a good time riding around, and with this video we'll have some different of us doing things. Again, I don't condone everything that was done today. If you're up on a roof, stay safe. Make sure you're putting a harness on, all that kind of stuff, so that way you stay safe at the end of the day. He is the owner. He fall off, that's his case, but again, he's got 2 kids, so make sure you're staying safe as we're watching through this video.